I'm sure you've heard the news. Grocery shopping can make or break your health journey. Let's get it right together. Welcome, health warriors, to our 60-day health transformation journey. Today, it's all about mastering the art of grocery shopping. First off, always go in with a plan. Pause. Writing down a meal plan and sticking to a shopping list can shield you from those sneaky impulse buys that derail healthy eating. Next up, stick to the store's perimeter. That's where the treasure trove of fresh produce, lean meats, and whole grains live. It's like circling the heart of health in every grocery store. Pause. Now let's talk labels. Become a detective in the aisles. Check for added sugars, unhealthy fats, and high sodium. Opt for simplicity, the fewer ingredients the better. Buying in bulk? Yes, please. It's cost-effective and ensures you have staples like grains and nuts at the ready. And while you're at it, why not cook in bulk too? Batch cooking saves time and keeps your meal game strong throughout the week. Lastly, embrace portion control. Use those containers cleverly to manage meal sizes, making healthy eating as easy as grab and go. Remember, with a bit of strategy, your grocery cart can be your ticket to a healthier you. Happy shopping and see you tomorrow for more transformation tips.